If you want to know how to make Snapchat private account, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it right, we firstly need to open our Snapchat, and then we need to manage some settings. So click on your icon in the left top corner with your profile page, and basically we need to scroll down to find public profile. So we need to click on public profile right up here. And then just simply click on more in the right top to open these settings. We need to click on delete public profile, and then just simply click on delete once more. After that, our public profile will be automatically deleted. The next step we need to manage some privacy settings. So click on your icon in the left top corner, and then just go to settings in the right top. Here we need to scroll down to find basically privacy controls, and as you can see, we have a couple of options we can manage here, but we need to click on contact me and set it to friends. So disable everyone option. Go back and then click on see me in quick add, and also disable these features so nobody will be able to see you in quick add list. After that, click on activity indicator, disable this feature, and I suggest you to open every single folder here to find what can you manage from yourself. In my case, I'm going to disable this stuff and also change my story settings. So we need to change it to my friends or even to custom. So after that, all your data will be automatically cleared, and no one will be able to see it. Only your friends will be able to visit your profile to see some information from you. So it's definitely the best way of how to make Snapchat private account. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.